Have you ever wondered what might happen if you eat just 2 dates every single day? Could something as small as 2 tiny dates really change how your body feels and looks after just 1 month? Well, the answer might surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand exactly what happens inside your body when you eat 2 dates daily for 30 days. We'll cover the amazing benefits, talk about possible side effects, and make sure you feel confident about trying this simple, tasty habit yourself. Before we start, here's something interesting. Dates aren't new. They've actually been around for thousands of years. They grow on palm trees and have been popular since ancient times because they're sweet, tasty, and full of healthy nutrients. Many experts say that dates are one of the best natural snacks available today, and there's a good reason for it. First, let's talk about what makes dates so special. When you eat 2 dates, you're giving your body important things like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars. Dates contain a good amount of fiber, which helps your digestive system run smoothly. Fiber is great because it prevents constipation and helps you feel full longer. When you feel full, you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods, and that's a big plus for your health. But what exactly happens when you make this a habit for 30 days? A good place to begin is the immediate effect dates can have on your energy levels. Dates are naturally sweet because they contain sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose. This natural sweetness can provide a quick source of energy, but unlike many sugary snacks that give you a spike followed by a crash, dates also contain fiber. The fiber helps slow the release of sugar into your bloodstream. As a result, many people find that eating dates provides a more stable and long-lasting energy lift. If you are someone who often feels tired in the afternoons or gets hungry between meals, 2 dates might be just enough to keep you going without needing a candy bar or sugary drink. Studies show that when we eat high-fiber foods, they help us avoid sudden drops in energy, which are caused by big changes in blood sugar levels. Another benefit that people often notice is improved digestion. Because dates contain fiber, they can help make your bowel movements more regular and reduce constipation. Fiber also helps your gut bacteria stay balanced. This is important because having a healthy gut can play a role in many aspects of overall health, from our immune system to how we absorb vitamins and minerals. Some individuals who consistently eat 2 or 3 dates every day say they experience less bloating, fewer episodes of stomach discomfort, and a more comfortable digestive process. If you have ever struggled with irregularity or felt like your gut is out of balance, the added fiber in dates could be a simple fix. Let's move to how dates might have a positive effect on mood. Dates contain vitamin B6, which can help the body make serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical that influences mood and feelings of well-being. While eating dates alone is not going to solve serious mood disorders, every bit of support helps when it comes to mental health. Adding 2 dates to your daily routine can give you a small but steady supply of this vitamin. Along with a balanced diet and other healthy lifestyle habits, like exercise and enough sleep, this could potentially help you feel a bit more positive, or at least more stable in your energy and mood. Now, we should pause for a moment and consider the benefits that come from the unique nutrients found in dates. Research published in different nutrition journals shows that dates are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. Antioxidants fight something called oxidative stress, which occurs when there is an imbalance in the body between free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them. Free radicals can harm cells, potentially leading to aging and various health problems over time. By eating foods that have antioxidants, such as dates, you can help your body defend itself. This might support not only your immune system, but also heart health, brain function, and more. Speaking of heart health, let's talk about the nutrients in dates that can be helpful for your cardiovascular system. One of the most notable is potassium. Potassium is essential for controlling blood pressure because it helps balance out the effects of sodium in the body. If you consume enough potassium, you reduce strain on your blood vessel walls, which may lower your risk of issues like high blood pressure or even stroke. While 2 dates may not fulfill all your potassium needs, it is a good step in the right direction. Every small boost of potassium, especially from a whole food source like dates, can play a role in a heart-healthy diet. Over the course of 30 days of daily date consumption, some people also notice changes that might appear more subtle, such as healthier-looking skin or stronger hair. This can stem from the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in dates. For instance, the copper and magnesium in dates are involved in different enzyme processes in the body that support healthy hair growth, skin repair, and cell function. Though these benefits take time and might not be as obvious as having more energy or better digestion, they are worth mentioning. Each day, you are supplying your body with building blocks it needs for repair and upkeep. I know by this point, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but will all that sugar in dates make me gain weight? This is a very common question, and it leads us into a conversation about weight management. Yes, dates are sweet, but they are also quite nutrient-dense. They deliver fiber, vitamins, and minerals along with that sweetness. When you compare 2 dates, which may have around 70 to 100 calories total, depending on their size, to a candy bar or sugary pastry, the difference in nutrients is huge. The fiber in dates, again, can help you feel full and might reduce the urge to snack on less healthy foods. Also, because dates release sugar more slowly, they may help you avoid those sudden cravings or big energy crashes that lead to overeating. That said, it's important to keep track of overall calorie intake if you are trying to lose or maintain weight. 2 dates a day is generally a reasonable portion for most healthy adults. But if you end up eating 10 dates throughout the day, that can add a lot of extra calories. Balance is key. If you find yourself craving something sweet after a meal, try having a date or two instead of reaching for dessert. This may satisfy your sweet tooth in a more wholesome way and, over time, could help you avoid added sugars found in processed treats. In short, moderate date consumption can actually work in favor of many weight management plans, thanks to the nutrients and the ability of fiber to help control appetite. Another question might be, is it okay to eat dates if I have a certain diet like vegan, vegetarian, paleo, or even keto? Dates are naturally free from animal products, so vegans can enjoy them. They also contain minerals like iron and calcium, which can be helpful for those on a fully plant-based diet. For people who follow the paleo lifestyle, dates can be a natural sweetener for homemade snacks or desserts, such as energy bars that also include nuts and seeds. If you follow a Mediterranean diet, you can include dates as part of your daily fruit intake. However, if you are on a strict keto diet, you might have to watch your carb intake very closely because dates do contain a fair amount of natural sugar. In that case, talk to a nutrition expert to make sure you can fit them into your carb limit without breaking ketosis. Beyond diet plans, lifestyle factors also affect how dates can be helpful. If you work out regularly, the natural sugars in dates might serve as a quick pre-workout snack that helps you maintain energy during exercise. The potassium in dates can assist with muscle contraction and fluid balance, which is useful during and after a workout session. Some athletes or fitness enthusiasts like to pair dates with a bit of protein, like nuts or a protein shake, to create a well-balanced snack that supports muscle recovery. Let's also consider how dates might benefit your immune system. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, magnesium, copper, and selenium play roles in forming antibodies, supporting enzyme function, and helping your body fight off illnesses. Over 30 days of eating 2 dates a day, you are consistently supplying your body with these nutrients. While dates are not a magic pill to prevent sickness, a balanced intake of these vitamins and minerals can certainly support your overall defenses. Small changes in your diet, when added up over time, can create a noticeable improvement in how your body handles daily stresses and challenges. We have touched on bone health briefly, but it is worth a closer look. Dates do not contain as much calcium as dairy products or some leafy greens, but they do have magnesium, phosphorus, and small amounts of calcium. Magnesium, in particular, helps with the process of bone mineralization, which keeps your bones strong. If you combine 2 dates a day with other sources of calcium and protein, plus weight-bearing exercises, you could be giving your bones the added support they need to stay healthy as you age. This is especially important for people who may have a family history of osteoporosis or are concerned about bone density issues later in life. Despite all these benefits, we need to discuss potential drawbacks or side effects. First, if you have diabetes or trouble managing your blood sugar levels, you will want to be cautious about eating any foods that are high in natural sugars. 2 dates a day might be acceptable for some people with diabetes, but it's always best to check with a doctor or dietitian. They may suggest pairing dates with a protein source, like nuts or yogurt, to slow down the sugar absorption. Next, if you are not used to eating much fiber, adding 2 dates a day might cause some temporary digestive discomfort, such as bloating or mild gas. Generally, these issues pass once your body adjusts, but it's good to introduce new high-fiber foods slowly and make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Some people also report that dried fruits, including dates, can sometimes trigger migraines in sensitive individuals. While this is not common, it's something to watch for. If you do notice frequent headaches after starting your daily date habit, keep a food journal and discuss it with a healthcare professional. It might be the case that you are sensitive to certain naturally occurring compounds in dried fruits. For most people, however, eating dates in moderation does not cause such problems. If you decide to move forward and try eating 2 dates every day for 30 days, you might wonder how soon you will see or feel results. Many people start to notice small changes within the first 1 or 2 weeks. You could find you have a bit more steady energy, better digestion, or a slight improvement in mood. Over time, say at the 30-day mark, you might also notice subtler changes, such as healthier skin, a stronger feeling of well-being, or even less craving for refined sweets. Of course, individual experiences vary, and your overall diet and lifestyle also play a big role. But for such a simple habit, eating 2 dates daily, the benefits can add up in a positive way. Now, if you are enjoying this discussion so far, it would help a lot if you like this video, share it with friends or family who might also be curious about healthy eating, and subscribe to the channel for more research-based content. It only takes a moment and helps our channel reach more people who are looking for reliable information on nutrition and lifestyle improvements. Your support means a lot and encourages us to keep providing helpful, fact-driven tips. All in all, dates are a sweet, convenient, and nutrient-packed option that can be eaten on their own, blended into smoothies, or mixed into various dishes. They fit into many lifestyles and can be enjoyed by vegans, vegetarians, and even those on more flexible low-carb diets, though strict keto followers must check their carb count. By understanding the nutritional science behind dates, especially their balance of fiber and natural sugars, you can make an informed decision about whether adding 2 dates a day to your routine is right for you. Most people will find that this small step adds up to meaningful health perks over time, including better energy, a more regular digestive system, and some added support for the heart, bones, and immune system. Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit those initial questions. Can a small dietary change really make a difference in your everyday health? And is it possible that 2 tiny fruits might have a big impact on how you feel? Based on everything we have covered, the evidence points to yes, it can. Because dates are both tasty and nutritious, they offer a unique opportunity to enjoy something sweet while also nourishing your body. The key is to stay mindful of portion sizes and to make sure you are also paying attention to other areas of your health, like staying active, drinking plenty of water, and getting good sleep. If you have tried adding 2 dates a day to your daily routine, or if you are planning to start soon, let us know in the comments below. We are curious to hear about your personal experiences and any tips you might have for making this habit stick. Your insights might inspire others to give it a shot. Remember, the best results come when you combine healthy eating with other positive changes, like exercise and stress management. Nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle, but it is a very important piece that can lead to better well-being over time. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the surprising power of daily date consumption. We hope you feel more informed and motivated to consider adding 2 dates to your own routine. As always, please like, share, and subscribe if you found value in this video. We look forward to bringing you more research-based tips and helpful advice on health and wellness topics. Here's to a healthier, sweeter life, one date at a time.